bright career or professions. Every student have the desire for becoming state level executive officer or national level executive officer, that is IAS, Indian Administrative Service. In that case, native have to sit for the UPSC examinations or state level executive examination. What kind of bar chart should be astrologically for helping the student to crack that type of tough examinations? First of all, the planets should be analyzed, then house connections, then nakshatra and nakshatra lords, all to be analyzed. Suppose Jupiter is not so strong in the bar chart, but in the D9 it is exalted. So the native get the results. That means D1, D9 and D10. All the charts should be precisely analyzed. The main planets are Sun for government, Sun for ambition, Jupiter for knowledge, Jupiter for managerial ability, Jupiter for authoritative ability. Mercury for intelligence, Mercury for taking instantaneous decision taking abilities. Venus for comfort and luxurious life leading ability. And Saturn for hard working, Saturn for dedication, Saturn for disciplined way of life to crack the tough examination like UPSC. Now, all the planets should be exalted in particular chart. This is not possible. 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 planets may be strong in a particular chart, but other charts that are weak in the bar chart, that to be strong in D9 chart or Dasmangsha Kundali. The 10th house of bar chart to be analyzed, the strength of the 10th house lords, and that of the Navangsha Kundali, 10th house and 10th house lords, and Dasmangsha Kundali D10, Dasmangsha Kundali lords and posited planet. All should be clearly, precisely analyzed. Then we can get the result, what kind of inherent ability are there within the natives. Now, we have to analyze it from the bar chart. Then we can coming to the conclusion. This is the bar chart of IAS aspirant or state level executive aspirant. Here almost all the benefic planet posited in the Kendra house. This is a yoga. Here in the first house, Sun, Mercury, Buddhaditya yoga. In the 4th house, Jupiter is exalted. In the 10th house, Mars is exalted. Saturn also strong in the bar chart. So 5 planet is within the Kendra. Now 2 planets are in the Trikona. So this is a yoga. Always not should be yoga. That means strength of Sun, Mercury, Jupiter, Mars and Saturn to be checked in the D1 chart or D9 chart and D10 chart. Now we are coming to the actual example. This is Shaktikanta Das, date of birth 26/02/1957, time of birth 12 AM. Now this is the chart of Shaktikanta Das, the famous IAS officer or bureaucrat. He became the governor of Reserve Bank of India. Now it is the chart of the Scorpion ascendant. Here in the Scorpion sign, Saturn and Rahu is placed. In the 3rd house, Moon and Mercury conjunction is there. Sun and Venus conjunction is 4th house, aspecting the 10th house. Jupiter in the 11th house. And Mars is in own sign in the 6th house. So Mars is very strong. Jupiter is strong. Venus, Sun also in the Capricorn or Aquarius sign very strong. So almost all planets, here is 5 planets within the Kendra. and 11th house Jupiter is present. So this type of chart already for a IAS aspirant. Actually, Shaktikant Das is a famous Tamil Nadu cadre of 1988 batch, and he becomes the governor of Reserve Bank of India. Now we are coming to the Anil Baijal. This is also an eminent IAS officer. Date of birth 1/11/1946. Time of birth 12 a.m. Place of birth Mumbai. Anil Baijal. This is the birth chart of Anil Baijal. In this case, 4th house Jupiter Sun Sun combination is there. Saturn placed in the Lagna. And in the 5th house of talent, Mars is placed in own sign with Mercury, Venus and Ketu. Now Moon is placed in the Sagittarius. So this is also a strong chart, and he became the governor of Delhi in the last phase of his work. So Anil Baijal is eminent IAS officer. And here Shaktikant Das also a brilliant IAS officer and bureaucrats.